In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to place trades within the Forex markets using market orders. So let's dive right into it, shall we? Okay, so as you can see on the charts, I'm inside the MetaTrader Forex trading platform once again. Okay, and what we have is the platform. We have the chart of the GBP USD currency pair. So assuming that at this moment we think that the price of the GBP USD currency pair is going to go down, well, we can sell this currency pair so as to make a profit from the trade. So in order to do that, all you need to do is, there are quite a lot of options to do this, but one of the methods you'd need to do this is to click on the new order option within the navigation menu. Okay, you can see that once I clicked on it, it's actually opened this dialog box for me. Okay, so assuming I am ready, I've already calculated my lot size. I know exactly how much I want to risk on this trade. Therefore, I've calculated my risk so that to reflect in my lot size, so that I don't end up risking or losing what I don't want to lose on this trade. I'm just going to type in that lot size, that volume right here in the volume field. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click sell by market. Okay, and just like that, I've sold this currency pair. So you can see that this trade is now running. Okay, it's open and it's down here in the menu. Okay, in the menu right in the terminal. Okay, it's showing me the trade in the terminal right here. So at the moment, I'm running with a loss of $1.90. So I've just shown you how to place a trade using market orders. This is actually a sell trade, a short trade. But what if I wanted to enter my stop loss orders and my profit targets? Okay, how do I do that? Because as I was placing the trade, I didn't enter those values. Okay, so you have two ways to do that. You can either right click on this twice, double click on it, the order which you placed, or if you double click on it, you can then type in your stop loss orders. Okay, and type in your profit target if you know exactly what those price levels are. But there's an easier way to do this. Okay, the easier way to do it is to just, you see this order you have, then hover your mouse cursor over the trade. Okay, over the trade entry level. You can see it's telling us drag to modify. So since this is a short trade, if you want to place your stop loss, it has to be above the trade entry level. So I'm going to click on this order entry level and then drag it up, okay, above this resistance area. So let's assume, let's just say that, okay, I need to check this. If this is your first time using MetaTrader, you're going to need to check your one-click trading, because MetaTrader did this so that you don't make mistakes while you're trading. Okay, you don't just place orders mistakenly without meaning them. So once you've agreed to that term, you can do it again. Click on the order you entered and drag it up. Okay, and just like that, our stop loss is going to be moved to this price level. So you can see that our stop loss has been moved to this price level, and at the moment I'm risking $50 on this trade, which is approximately 0.5% of this account's balance. Okay, which is good trading, good risk management. So what of profit targets? What if I want to make a profit of $100 on this trade if I took this trade? Well, I can do the same thing. Hover my mouse cursor over the trade's entry level and then click on it and then drag it down. Okay, because since this is a short trade, my profit target is going to be lower than the trade entry level I entered at. Okay, so I'm going to drag it down and you can see that I've just released it. My profit target is here. Okay, what is my profit target on this trade? Well, it's at the 1.32195 price level, and when I hover my mouse's cursor, you can see that I'm actually aiming for a profit of $103.50 on this particular trading position. Okay, so this is an example of shorting, of selling, okay, a currency pair inside MetaTrader. Let's look at an example of going long. Okay, that's buying a currency pair. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, I showed you the first option is to click on this new order menu. Okay, this new order option on the navigation bar. But another way to do this is for you to just right click on your charts, and then once you've right clicked on it, you can see it still brings us to this option, new order, or you can just click on the F9 button on your keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to click on this again and it brings us to the same thing here. So again, assuming you've calculated your lot sizes and you know exactly how many lots you're supposed to trade so that you don't risk more than 1% or 0.5% of your account's capital, proper risk management, okay, on this particular trade, you're going to type that lot size in the volume field here, okay, and then you're going to click on buy by market, okay, and just like that, you've bought this particular currency pair. Okay, you've bought it because you're anticipating that price is going to go up and you're going to make a profit from this trading position. Okay, that's why you're buying it. So since you bought this currency pair, where is your stop loss going to be placed at? Well, it's going to be placed below the order. Okay, so I just clicked on the chart like we did the first time, clicked on the order we placed, and I dragged it down. So you can see that I'm actually dragging it down up until the level where we're actually risking around $50 on this trading position, okay? And not just that, but our profit target, again, the other method of doing this is if you don't want to click and drag, you can just double click on the order, okay? Either on your chart or in the terminal here, double click on it. And let's say you use the crosshair tool to pinpoint the exact price level where you're going to be placing your profit target. So let's assume that your profit target is going to be placed at the 1.2960 price level. Well, all you need to do is, if you don't want to use that drag and drop option, you can click on this field in the take profits field and then type in the price level where you want to take profit. So it's going to be, for this example, 1.2960. Okay, so right here, this is our profit target. Once you've done that, click on OK. Okay, click on modify it, and your profit target is here. So in this particular example, you can see that where I placed the profit target, and it's actually going to, if this trade was to hit our profit target, we're going to make a profit of around 210 pips, which is going to be equivalent to around $164 and 96 cents. Okay, so this is exactly how you go about placing buy and sell market orders within the Forex market inside MetaTrader. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to place Forex trades inside MetaTrader using pending orders. So the difference between the market orders and the pending orders is that with the market order, you see your charts, you analyze everything, and at that particular moment in time, that's when you want to place your trade, and you just click on buy by market or sell by market at that moment, and you're into the market at that moment, okay? But with the pending orders, you're actually going to be placing your trades at specific price levels which are away from the market's current price. So in the future, you're anticipating that if price reaches this level, I either want to buy or I either want to sell, and that is the use of the pending orders. While for the market orders, you're actually saying, no, I don't want to have to wait in the future. I'm placing my trades right now. Okay, that's just the difference. So that's what we're going to be. I've just shown you how to place trades using the market orders, and you can see that our trades are in a little bit of profit at the moment. Okay, floating profits and floating losses. But that's it for this particular video. We're going to dive into the next video, which is going to show you how to place trades using pending orders. Okay, once again, thanks for your time. See you in the next video. Cheers.